Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on Redmi 15. Alright, simply open up your WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now let's click on settings. Now we need to click on the chats. Now scroll down and click on chat backup. And now let's discuss a few things. Let's begin with the Google account. When you click right in here, you can see that in my case, this Google account is selected. And on that account, my backup will be stored. So for example, if I want to restore my backup in the future, I will need to be logged in into the same Google account that I have selected right in here. So, simply don't forget this password and this Google account. Below we also have the automatic backups. This option is defaultly set on off, but we have modes such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I set backup. Currently I set it on the monthly, and that means that each month the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to do this manually. It's really convenient and comfortable feature, and of course if you want you can pick one of those options. We can also include videos in our backup. Simply select right in here. Also on the bottom we have an end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on right in here you basically create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. So if you choose to create that password, simply don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Also make sure that you have some free Google storage space. And now click on backup, this green button. Now let's wait a few seconds. Now the backup will start. Okay, boom, that's all. Now our backup has been successfully made. We can see that next to last backup we have current hour. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.